Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate IFTTT for smart home automations, full guide step by step clearly. To activate IFTTT for smart home automations, start by downloading the IFTTT app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the Explore tab at the bottom of the screen. Type Smart Home into the search bar to find relevant services and automations. Choose a specific smart home device or platform, such as Philips Hue or SmartThings. Tap on the service you want to connect. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your smart home devices to IFTTT. Grant necessary permissions to allow IFTTT to control your devices. After successfully linking your device, return to the Explore tab. Scroll through popular applets or use the search function to find automations that fit your needs. Select an applet to view its details. To activate the applet, tap the Turn On button. You may need to configure specific settings for the applet, so read the instructions carefully. Follow any prompts to finalize the setup. Once set up, return to the main screen of the app. From here, you can manage your active applets. If you want to create a custom automation, tap on the My Applets tab. Then, select Create. Choose a trigger service by tapping If This. Select your desired trigger conditions, and customize them as needed. After setting your trigger, tap on Then That to choose an action for your automation. Select the appropriate service for your action. Follow the prompts to complete the action setup. Review your automation settings to ensure they meet your requirements. Finally, save your custom applet. Now your IFTTT is fully configured for your smart home automations. You can monitor your automations through the IFTTT app at any time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.